Presentation Hero Academy presents Embrace Your Fear, lesson number 10 of the presentation delivery module. Presentations are a scary thing. I'm scared every time I have to do one. To one person, to 10 people, to 100 people, I'm always scared. And I think fear is totally normal. It's something that happens all the time. I don't think you should do a meditation exercise to calm down. I don't think you should breathe like you're taking a nap. I think that you should embrace your fear and use the energy that is inside your fear to drive your presentation forwards. But you know what can happen is that you can get blocked by fear. And in this case, it helps just to begin your presentation. But how do you begin if you're so fearful? Well, what you do is you memorize the beginning of your presentation, just the first 2 or 3 sentences, in order for you to be able to automatically beat this fear and start going on. After you begin with your presentation, well, your fear will still be with you, but you will be able to control it more and more. And remember, your audience has no idea that you're scared. Let it be a secret. Never tell them. Alright? So to summarize, try to use the energy that is bottled in your fear. Don't try to calm down. Try to get excited. And never give in. Never reveal the secret. Let it be a secret between you and me that you're scared. Alright?